Problem 2 of volume 2. The function h is given by h of x equals log base 3 of x. What input value in the domain of h yields an output value of -3? All right, so basically it's just saying log base 3 of what gives me -3. Well, let's write that in its exponential form. Okay, if you forget the exact formula for exponential form, I use log base b of y equals x, and you can turn that into b to the x equals y. So what that does with this guy, and I know this is x and that's y, don't overthink it. You're going to write out x equals 3 to the -3. Just have it written backwards. So let me see, 3 to the -3 is 1 over 3 to the third, and 3 to the third is 27, so x is going to equal 1 over 27, which is B. That's problem 2. I hope this helps.